Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be showing you my live trade what we did today, okay, and also my client screenshot of profit and also the live market analysis, and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit like us. So to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. So guys, yes, today is 17th of September. So right now the time is around 9:08. So we'll see how the pre-open market is running right now. So yes, the pre-open market is now closed actually. So yes, as you guys can see here, the market is opening in a downtrend today. Okay, that is almost like 0.56% down at 11,539.40 is where our Nifty is opening today, and advanced stocks are only 6, defensive stocks are 40, and unchanged are 4 stocks. So by looking at this, I feel like the market will be in a downtrend today. So let's see how it performs. And as you guys can see here, the stocks opening in the gap up, I mean in upper trend, are Dr. Reddy with 1.64% up, HCL Tech with 0.72% up, and Nestle India with 0.26% up. Okay, so coming to the stocks which are opening in the downtrend are Wipro with 1.57% down, M&M with 1.32% down, ICICI Bank with 1.25% down, and also other few stocks which are almost like 1% down here. Okay, so this is how the pre-open market is looking today. So after a few minutes, I'll tell you what stock I'm selecting and which I'm taking the trade. Okay, so I'll be showing you my live trade also, so stay tuned for that. So guys, I have selected Axis Bank to trade today. Okay, so the stock what we will be trading is on Axis Bank. I have not taken any entry yet, so if you take a buy or sell entry, I'll update you guys, but the stock what we selected today is on Axis Bank. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to my stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're new to stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit, and also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, by being said that, now let me show you the live trade what we did today. So guys, I had bought this stock around 442.50. okay, so there was a quick movement what it happened now. Okay, so let me just show you how it happened in 1 minute candle chart. Okay, so here how it went. So suddenly it went up. Okay, so let's see if I can achieve my 0.5% target. So we'll aim for 444. Okay, so right now it's 443.45. So it suddenly went up. Okay, so I bought it around 442.3050, somewhere around there, and waiting for it to go up now. So let me just keep 15 minutes candle chat and observe this. And also, as you guys can see, the market is now recovering. Okay, it was like 0.50% down, somewhere around there, and now it's like 0.26%. Okay, so it's recovering. So this is how the market looks as of now. The market is going in an upper trend, and even the stock what you selected, now we are in a buy side of the stock, and even that is looking positive. So waiting for Axis Bank to go up right now, guys. So we'll see how it will perform today. So yes, 444.20 is a high made as of now, as you guys can see. Yes, the stock is performing good. So we almost got our 0.5% target here, as you guys can see. So guys, yes, as you guys saw, it made a high of 445.3. Yes, so the target was achieved, and this was the call what was given to my client also. Even they booked the profit, and this was the profit what we were able to book today in this trade of Axis Bank. Okay, so if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also guys, these are the client screenshot of profit what they have shared with me. So Axis Bank 1517 rupees profit, and this is a client screenshot, client feedback message what they have sent me here. 3700 rupees profit. Axis Bank 2292 rupees profit, and also client has given a feedback message here telling that is making a good profit. 2160 rupees profit. So these are the profit what we were able to book today in today's trade of Axis Bank. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.